Are you being annoyed by the Softkbd Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before the walkthrough for Softkbd library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Softkbd library, the legacy software keyboard module. It provides a GDI-based unmanaged rendering of a virtual keyboard for systems without a physical input device. It interfaces with the SendInput API to inject keystroke manifests into the active Windows message queue, acting as an input fallback for specialized system login screens. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Softkbd is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Softkbd library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Be aware that manual fixes for Softkbd library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Softkbd library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Softkbd library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.